We choose this place because this is the only marine island in Bangladesh, especially in Coral Island. And you know the importance of the Coral Island. It's very important for a country and for water resource and water body. For the nursing ground as a nursing ground of the fishes and marine organisms, and coral is very sensitive with water quality and its parameters, like especially in TDS, dissolved solids, TSS, and temperatures. So that is why we choose this to do work on the water quality of this our island, and especially we had no the systematic data in our in this island. For that we tried to collect the data and to establish a baseline actually. To have as this is the only island, coral island, so we have to think about the future ICEO or like this, for that this data would maybe encourage the people, the government people to do some further work and to do some initiatives to save this coral island. This is actually island. Here's the position of Bangladesh, and this is the southeastern part of Bangladesh, and this is the separate island. This is 8 kilometers from the mainland, and the island is 8 kilometer long and 4 kilometer wide in the northern side, and southern side is 1.5 kilometer long. And there's some interesting feature that has been changed, that there's the compressed portion, station 3 and 4, the water pass through this island. In the high tide and the low tide it's blocked. And we choose this station, this is the northeast part of this island, station 1, 2, 3, 4, as this is water pass through this way, 5, 6, 7. This way we try to collect the data from this station and to understand, and at the same time we try to observe the coral status of this island. We collect some in situ data. This work was 2007 to 8. We consider the 3 seasons. Pre-monsoon, monsoon, and post-monsoon. That is pre-monsoon February to April, monsoon May to August, and post-monsoon September to January for the sample collection and preservation. This is data collection: air and water temperature, soil sediment sediment pH, TDS, salinity, and we laboratory analysis for the water and sediment separately. For the water we observe the dissolved oxygen DO, total suspended solid, carbon dioxide, nitrite, nitrogen, phosphate, phosphorus, silicate, silica. And now I'm coming to the results. We collect the samples with the mechanized boat around the island, and Sorry. Yeah. It's Yeah, we observed the temperature. Uh, the year-round temperature varied from 32.2 degrees Celsius to 25.2 degrees Celsius, and the highest value was recorded in the pre-monsoon. I mean, the May, February to May, at all the station. I mean, the 7 station, and lower value post-monsoon at all station the same. And air temperature and water temperature was more than 1 degree or 0.5 degree Celsius difference it was. Water temperatures water temperature was 31 to 24.1 degrees Celsius pre-monsoon and post-monsoon respectively. Considering this season, water temperature shows the significant relation with the phosphate and silicate during monsoon and post-monsoon. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, it is. Okay. Thank you. Should I go to this? Thank you. But here is good, but it's not good. I don't know why. Can I continue, sir, with talking, sir? Because maybe some problems, sir, and I am wasting your time, sir. Yes, sir, can I see what is cover looks at over here? Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, the carbon dioxide value during the pre-monsoon, it was the highest, and it was 17 milligram per liter, and it shows the significant relation with the DO. The DO at station 2, 3, 6, and 7. In respect of monsoon, carbon dioxide significant relation with nitrate. Monsoon, that means May to August. I think this is slide showing, but the
This is
right
this is not working.
probably like this is beginning of like this. Yeah. And transparency is very important for the coral. You know that the highest transparency 813.25 centimeter was in pre-monsoon at the station 5, and lowest was at station 1 and 2. Basically 1 and 2 it has an influence at the it is jetty area. Normally tourist goes and return through this area, and it has siltation and the navigation as well. This side. And the transportation significant is the salinity TDS and station 1, that's I call the jetty area, that means the transportation and navigation area, and as well as the TSS, and the significant relation also it was in monsoon with the air temperature TDS and highly with the salinity, silicate. TSS, total suspended solids, shows the highly significant relation with the pH at station 1, and transparency at station 3, and it was around this all sites. The station 7 was more clear because it was the non-disturbed area, and it was this south eastern area of the site. Nitrate shows the highly significant with the phosphate as the station 1 and 7. There is significant relation whether during the post monsoon with the carbon dioxide. Phosphate shows the highly significant with the nitrate and post monsoon as well, and they have also relation with the TDS. Silicate. Showed significant relation with the DO at station 1, that means that area, and significant with water temperature at station 2 with carbon dioxide. There was significant relation of silicate value during pre-monsoon, silicate with DO, TSS in pre-monsoon, and during monsoon water temperature and TDS and transparency. And post monsoon, there's a significant relation with the air temperature and water temperature with the silicates. Yeah. Now the sediments. We observe the in situ data of the sediments with the sediment pH, temperature, and the HPS value. That means 7.4 was observed during the pre-monsoon at the station 1, and that is ZT area and navigation area, and the lowest was observed during the monsoon at the station 7, that is the southeastern part. I think.